How to use NSPanel Pro. A video to teach you from the start of the installation to the completion of the setup. Power off. Wiring the NS panel according to the wiring instruction. Put the protective cover on, install the mounting plate and put the panel on. Power on. NSPanel Pro can also it on your desk. Pass the wires through the enclosure stand. Wiring it. Tighten the screws. Power on and now it works. It requires you to select the language, country or region and connect to Wi-Fi during the first use. Scroll down for more features and tap Login. Open your eWeLink app to scan the QR code. Tap Device on the app. Select the added devices on the app. Save, then you will see the devices are synced to the NSPanel Pro. Tap Scene on the app to add your manual scenes to the NSPanel Pro. Afterward, you can trigger the smart scenes on the NSPanel Pro directly. Tap Add Device. Built-in Zigbee gateway allows you to add the Zigbee devices. Tap Start Pairing and make your Zigbee device enter the pairing mode. Then the added device will display on the device table. After that, you can set up a smart security mode. Once you set up your away mode, NSPanel Pro will sound the alarm when the sensor is triggered. NSPanel Pro supports synchronizing sun-off camera and eWeLink camera. After synchronization, you can view the camera screen directly on the NSPanel Pro and remote talk with camera. Also, NSPanel Pro support adding RTSP camera. Follow the prompts to set the camera name and enter RTSP address to add the camera. Also, NSPanel Pro support adding Espressif ESP32CAM as the DIY camera. Set the name, enter IP address and port to view the live screen from the DIY camera. There are 8 default wallpapers for you to switch. If you don't like them, customize it by yourself. NSPanel Pro and your phone require to connect to the same Wi-Fi. Upload the wallpaper in the eWeLink app. Then you can set a desired picture as your wallpaper.